Here's the game. We are both going to try to make the most ridiculous sex noises. A noise that someone presumably might make during sex.
Okay.
And the other person can't laugh. Whoever laughs first loses the game.
Great.
Okay. Do you want to go first?
You go first.
Okay.
That was quick.
Hold on, you went out of turn.
Wait,
It didn't count
you
because you went out of turn.
You were just trying to hold it in, so I was like, all right, let's finish this. I think that's 2-0.
You're cheating because you have to give a pause after I do one.
I think I've won every single time.
Okay.
Yep.
Final round.
Final round. I've just won like 4 in a row. You were laughing as you were doing it. I've been waiting to do this one. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
All right.